alignment, alignment, alignment. 1. An arrangement in which two or more things are positioned in a straight line or in their correct relative positions. The mechanic checked the alignment of the car's wheels. 2. A situation in which something is in agreement or in the correct relationship with something else. There was perfect alignment between the goals and actions. 3. Political, business, or other support given to one country or group by another. The country sought a close alignment with its economic partners. Thanks for hanging out with me today. See you later. Bye.